Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the do-while loop. So first of all, what is the do-while loop? Here in the previous lecture you have learned the while loop and the for loop. Here in the while loop, at the first the compiler will check the condition. If the condition is true, then compiler execute the code, and same process in the for loop. If the condition is true, then compiler will execute this code. But in the do while loop, at the first the code will be execute and then check the condition. If the condition is true, then code will execute again, and if the condition is false, so the code will not execute again. So here I'm gonna create the do while loop. Here first of all we need to create a variable. Here is the int num and here is 0, and then here I'm gonna write do, and then in between this we need to write the code. Here is control plus, and here I'm gonna write hi, and then this is the do, and then we need to write the while, that is condition. Here I'm gonna write while, and then here is the semicolon. So this is the way of writing the condition, and in between these parentheses we have to write the condition. And first of all this code will execute, and then this condition will be checked. If the condition is true, this code will be execute again. Here I'm gonna write if number less than 5, and here I'm gonna increment the number. You know why? Because the number is increment again and again, so the loop will be finite and loop will be end. And now let's execute it. And here you see that here I'm first of all I'm gonna here print num, then you understand it betterly. Here you see that at the first time the condition is not checked. When the number is 0, the high is printed here, and then the num is become 1, and then compiler will check the condition while less than 5, and then it again print the high, and then the number is become 2 less than 5, then it again print it, and then here is the 3, and then 3 less than 5 it again print, and then 4, and then it continuously print. And when the number is become 5, then 5 less than 5 is not less than 5, so it end the loop. So this is the way of using the do while loop. Why we are using the do while loop? If the condition is false, here I'm gonna provide the false condition. Here you see that the number is not equal to 5. Here I am also gonna make it 5. So here the condition is number not equal to 5. This condition is false, but this code will execute at least one time. And here you see that this loop run the infinite time, so I'm gonna stop it and remove this number. So due to this the loop will run infinite time, so I'm gonna run it. And here you see that this condition is false, but this program execute this code at least one time, because the do part of the code is before the condition. So here the condition is that number not equal to 5, but it executes the code at least one time when the condition is wrong. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.